Okay, we're at the bird rookery at Gatorland. It's one of my favorite places in the park. This is a real, actual swamp. This is a really good example of what goes on in nature. There's a symbiotic relationship between alligators and birds in a rookery swamp setting. The birds nest above the alligators where the alligators cannot get them, but their protection by the alligators, they're protected from other creatures that would, rats and raccoons and stuff like that would come up and eat their young, eat their eggs, eat them, etc. But the advantage for the gator is that sometimes, and we've actually seen this happen in the wild, the birds will fall into the young birds will fall into the water, and the gators will eat them. And we've actually seen that happen. It's quite impressive. It's very cool. I've seen this before where every one of these things have gone over to that end over there to be fed. They just all swim en masse. It is so cool to see. And we have some monsters in here, man. Some real tree shakers. He's moving for some reason. This is mating season, so they're going to be moving somewhat. Oh, I guess some stupid person throwing stuff on them. I see, that's why he's moving.
Amazon, Montpellier.
There's a little bit of movement over here. Just the younger ones are jockeying for position. Look how close that heron's getting to that alligator. Oh, how cool would that be to watch him snap that bird up? And of course, these alligators can never be released into the wild again because they've been fed by humans. And having lost all fear of humans, they would look at humans as food sources and come after them. See them, they're just lining the banks over there. There.
Colored.
This is a really good example of the symbiotic relationship. We have nests here, a nest here, and a nest here. And the gator will protect the birds by its presence. But again, if a bird falls in there, that'll be it. It's very neat. See it so close up. Really good. You can see there's babies in there. It's chicks. They're juveniles. They're small. They can't fly yet. And if either one of those falls in there, they won't be able to fly out. And they will get eaten. They're being fed. They're being fed by the mother. Very cool. Honey, they were being fed. There's the mothers in there feeding her, you know how they do through their mouth. These are chicks here, or juveniles. Flightless food. And if they fall in, they're goner. So cool to see their nest so close. It wasn't like this the last time I was here. They were all on the other side. All over here. I don't recall these being here. These nests. And of course these birds are not captive. The alligators are. The birds come and go. They nest here and then they're gone. Fly off and their chicks are. It's ironic in this situation that it's all fenced off and there really couldn't be very many predators for the birds to worry about. But they don't know that, so their natural inclination is just to stay there.